Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use FBA multi-channel fulfillment. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, using FBA multi-channel fulfillment can streamline your operations and extend your reach beyond Amazon. Here's how you can make the most of this service. Start by logging into your Seller Central account and navigate to the Growth tab. Click on Multi-Channel Fulfillment from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the section where you can set up and manage your multi-channel orders. First, ensure that your products are set up for multi-channel fulfillment. Go to Manage Inventory and select the products you want to fulfill through this service. Make sure they are enrolled in FBA and that you have enough inventory in your Amazon fulfillment centers. When you're ready to create a multi-channel fulfillment order, click on Try MCF in the multi-channel fulfillment section or choose Create MCF Order from Orders tab. You'll need to provide details about the order, including the shipping address and the items you want to fulfill. You can also set up a fulfillment order for your non-Amazon sales channels by providing the order details and shipping information. Amazon will handle the storage, packing, and shipping of your products, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Once your orders are placed, you can track their status in the Manage Orders section. Here, you can monitor the progress of your orders and make adjustments if necessary. If you have any questions or need assistance, Amazon Seller Support is available to help with any issues related to multi-channel fulfillment. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.